Welcome back. I'm Melissa Eichmann in for Veronica Cintron. Getting there on the Tampa streetcar. City officials want to bring the TECO streetcar right through the center of downtown Tampa. Real-time traffic expert Chuck Henson has details.
The talk is getting serious about extending the TECO streetcar in Tampa. HART CEO Katharine Eagan walked me through the process they've been undertaking to narrow 5 potential routes down to a final 2. And here they are. Both will connect the Whiting Street station to Palm Avenue, the blue line using Franklin Street both ways, and the purple line running north on Florida Avenue and then back on Tampa Street. But deciding which of those gets the green light, well, that depends on a number of factors.
You'll look at what has a good impact for economic development. If you can increase the property taxes coming in on property from a transit improvement, then there's more money to run the system and do everything else.
Once that route is decided upon and eventually built, the streetcars on that route, well, they may not look like the ones you're used to.
We love our historic replica cars. They aren't energy efficient. The air conditioning could be better, and they're not made anymore. So if we wanted to have more service, we couldn't get more cars.
Other cities with more modern streetcar systems are using cars like these, and it's likely Tampa would follow their lead when a new North Line opens. So, assuming the funding is available, how soon could we see a new North Line of the streetcar?
You can do an extension in 2 or 3 years. So you could extend this service to as far as 275 in downtown if you had an easy way to get there pretty quickly, and we would have enough cars to run every 10 to 15 minutes.
An old way to get there becomes new again in downtown Tampa. Chuck Henson, Spectrum, Bay News 9.
There's still plenty of time for you to get involved in this process. Public meetings are held throughout the study and design phases. Information on those is sent out through the streetcar social media channels.